Today, guys, we are going to be eating candy and sour candy. So the first one are these Frave grape fizzy things. So we're going to try those real quick. This is what they look like. So here they're like, it's weird tasting, right?
It's like
fizzy kind of.
Yeah.
Next up, Toxic Waste. Okay, these are our flavors, so let's get into it. Okay, here we go.
It's sour.
Oh yeah, that's really sour. Okay. It's really bad, guys. Next up, really big Smarties. Okay, guys, these are really big, so here we go.
They make me smart.
Yeah, they make me smart. They're really good, though. Next up, sour Skittles. Okay, we got red and yellow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's sour.
That's really sour.
Bye!